I'll be showing you how I prep a Jamaican style Christmas cake without alcohol. We are used to using wine, rum, and other strong alcohol to make Christmas cake, but your girl want to experiment, so here I am with seedless raisins, raisins without seeds, raisins with seeds, yellow raisins, some cherries. I'll be using prunes and some mixed fruits. I'll be boiling this with some cranberry juice and some Welsh grape juice. I added cinnamon sticks in it and cinnamon leaf to boil for at least 10 minutes or until the fruits are swollen. Now, you don't have to soak your fruits. You can boil your fruits and puree however you like. I like mine pureed. I don't like to taste the fruits in my cake. So I'm boiling and then I will puree, and please make sure you set your notification bell and stay tuned for the outcome of this non-alcoholic fruit cake done over at Shell's Island Flavor Cooking. Your girl added a little orange peel in this, and here are the fruits boiling. Once done and this is cooled, you can puree, blend however you like it. If you like your fruits big, good for you. I like it when it is like chopped up in it, where I don't have to bite in as if you're eating like a bun. Your girl is about to experiment to make a Jamaican style fruit cake without any form of rum in it. Please remember to set your notification bell so you won't miss my upload on Thursday. Please remember to give your girl a like. Please remember to drop a comment, share. Thank you for your support. If you're new, welcome to Shell's Island Flavor Cooking. I'm about showing you how I prep some fruits for a non-alcoholic Jamaican style fruit cake, also known as Jamaican style Christmas cake. Here I am pureeing my fruits in my bullet because I'm lazy, and this is the outcome of it. Stay tuned. I will tell you all the other ingredients that I used in this. Please remember to give your girl a like. It is free. There's no charge to like the video once you watch the video. Stay tuned and thank you for coming by.